So if you're using your WhatsApp to sell, whether your WhatsApp business or normal WhatsApp to sell, you find out that when you're running the campaign and people start chatting you up, it's usually difficult. It's not that it's difficult, it's stressful for you to keep on saving numbers manually. So imagine that in a day you get up to 200 new people chatting you up. And don't also forget, I assume you're a busy business person. So imagine having to save these numbers one after the other. God, it's so stressful. Now, this application will help you automatically save your WhatsApp contacts so you don't get to stress yourself and you can focus on every other aspect of your marketing. All right, now I'm going to show you exactly how this stuff works. First thing you need to do is to install. So after you've done that, you just open up the application. Yeah, and this is exactly what it looks like. So from here now, the first thing you need to do is to enter your name. My name is Victor, and you're gonna look for your country. I am a Nigerian, full-blooded Nigerian. I think you should be able to search. Yeah. So, and you enter your phone number 8037193840, right? And then you click on next. All right, it's going to ask you to allow you to save contacts to access your contacts. All right, you say allow auto save contact to make and manage phone calls. So they're going to send an OTP right now. Let's wait for the OTP. Okay, it has automatically detected itself because the app is on the phone. All right, we have updated our settings. Auto save contacts to access your phone logs. All right, allow. Okay. All right, so we're going to come here right now and enable this. Yes. It's going to ask you to grant application to the app. So we're going to grant application to the app. Allow. Okay, so that's about that. We'll go back and then allow. Yeah, and also this app automatically saves your incoming calls. So if it performs two functions, saves your WhatsApp number, save your incoming calls, so whichever one you want to make it permit it to do. Now that we are here, all right, so then the next thing we need to do right now is to add a group. Let's say, for example, you are running a campaign to sell shoes, or like the last campaign I did was to get people to join my dropshipping group. So I said I just added when the campaign was running, I just did Afia. Afia is my company name. I say Afia DP. That's Afia dropshipping group, right? So now that you've added a group, the next thing you need to do right now is to make this group select as default group. Okay, so once you select as default group, any new person that chats you up, you're going to see the person's you're going to see it's going to show you the numbers. So a new person chats you up, it's going to show 1, 2 people is going to show 2, 3 people is going to show 3, 4 people is going to show 4. Okay, let's try that right now and see exactly how it works. So you can see right now that this application has captured 2 new numbers, 2 numbers that chatted me up. I sent an email to one of my small lists. All right, so let's see. This one is saved as Afia New 3. Remember that I set up a group and I said that what that means is that whenever somebody chats me up, the application automatically saves that number with whatever it is I saved in that group. So it's Afia New. So it gives you Afia New 1, Afia New 2, Afia New 3, Afia New 4 until it keeps on going. So that even you have like 1,000 leads in a day, to save it as Afia New 1,000. Now imagine how easy this thing is going to make your WhatsApp marketing be, because imagine you having to save one numbers, 1,000 people. That is daunting. I mean, your hands are going to burn at the end of the day. All right, so but with this application, it saves the whole stress. You don't need to save this number manually. It does everything automatically. What you have to do is just to automate the process and tell them your name, so they will be the ones to save your name while you already save their names automatically. All right, so the software is actually not free. The application is not free. It just costs just a little amount of money. 2 bottles of Henneken for 2,000 naira. Just 2,000 naira, you get access to this application, lifetime access to this application, so that you can start automating your marketing process. You don't need to go through the stress of manually saving numbers anymore. This software takes care of that. So to get it right now, I'm going to drop a link down below this ad. If you're on Facebook, I'm going to drop the link. Either you see a link or you see a WhatsApp message. You click on it and it takes you right straight to where you can place an order for this application. Just 2,000 naira, you have this application that saves you stress. Okay, all right, let me not waste your time. I'll see you on the inside.